think you also mentioned about finding your strengths as well, right? You're utilizing your strengths. You're not really trying to improve your weaknesses. It's just about finding what your strengths are and just using it, as you just mentioned, that you're the entrepreneur, you're the person that gets things done and just goes out there, networks and brings people in. So that's really good.
Yeah, but also life is more fun.
Yeah.
Life is more fun when
Yeah.
you do the shit that you're really good at. Come on, look, I'm absolutely I'm not blind to my weaknesses, but
Mm,
I've done so much work. If we're talking about human design,
mm,
BG5, Gallup, Enneagram, to get really good at doing ourselves and who we are and understanding who we take ourselves to be and why we do the things we do. And I'm absolutely aware of my weaknesses. I think we all need to be cognizant of what we can't do so
mm,
that we can bring people in,
mm.
rather than going, I hate accounting, but I got to be really good at it because my accountant said I got to be really good at it.
Well, my parents told me I have to be a really good accountant, right?
that's right. And so, but understanding, because man, we owe it to life to sit in our
Mm,
genius. We owe it to life. Why would I sit in somewhere and try to do something and pay homage to mediocrity? I
I
can
love
get
that.
someone to freaking say it. It just doesn't make sense.
Mm,
So absolutely be aware of our weaknesses, but do the stuff that we're really good at. And I'm not just saying this from an intuitive point of view. Actually, do the science behind what you're really good at as well. Do the reports, do the tests.
mm.
Ask yourself, what makes my heart sing? What makes my heart sing? Because that is your calling.